Hey everybody, welcome to a slightly different version of an Eddie Makes Art video. This is a mini tour of my new studio layout. Excuse any trash in the background. I've been cleaning all weekend, reorganizing. My brother has just moved out of this little space that I'm living in currently, and the cat says hello. And so I rearranged the space that I had, which was very small. I widened it up, and you can see I have a 6-foot table here, a folding table that I've reappropriated from where my brother had it, and now I use it. And as you can see, I've got my pup tissues here that I'm going to be working on in another video, so stay tuned for that. And then we have here a tower of stuffs. These are my couple of my gel plates. You know, one of those plastic bins you need. And then all of my paints. And you can see the new boxes that I made are all there. Or my Barons, or my my Breyers, and all that good stuff. Some deli paper, my sketchbook underneath. And then I kind of just made myself a little side table here. You see cat treats, there's some tissue, there's the air conditioning remote, and some of my journals, like personal journals. And then, you know, just space for other stuff. And then this is the desk I sit at when I am chatting with you all during live streams. Okay, in the corner there, that's my printer on a couple of containers full of stuff. Actually, I think one of those containers is full of journals, and that's going to be coming up soon. I'll talk about that more later. And this is a shelving system here with the storage containers that I inherited from my mom. I have 2 of these white ones. So I've got, let's see, up here, these are stencils that are not in my binder yet, or they're too big for the binder I have. And there's, you know, they're stacked in there. No filing method. This is bits of cardstock and other papers, and then scraps of just plain cardstock. Gel prints, surprise, surprise, gel prints. And then here I've got, ATCs I'm working on, some extra tape, box of ink cartridges, and these little plastic things. These are great for storage. This is random stuff that I still need to organize. And down here, guess what? More gel prints. And then this 3-drawer thing does have a lot of different supplies and stuff. It's not been reorganized yet, so I'm not opening those drawers. But on top, you can see a couple of my baskets that I've emptied, ready for projects. And this on the left, right there, those are some forgotten journals that I never finished. So, and the fox, do you love that? That was a gift from my friend Becky. Thanks, Becky. Look at, it's your fox. And then on this wire shelving system, I have my gel plates. Got some stencils there, pens, pencils, whatever you desire, markers. And then back here, these 2 taller bins on the right, those are stamps and ink stamps, or ink pads. Stuff I'm working on, a couple empty boxes there. This, I believe, is a box of book pages I sorted out last night. And we have some more stuff here. Books, like my collage books, and there's some other arty things in that pile. Paper towels, can't be without them. I got glues and different stencil butters in there. And baking powder keeps my stuff fresh and clean. The air in the room, especially. It's a small room. And this is the current journal project I'm working on. All the bits there, it's all inside. And look out for a video on those too. And then here's some decorated storage boxes I have. See here, there's paint. And then 2 containers of foam stamps right there, PMR Studio foam stamps. And the pink box is not as full, so I need to make another order and get that filled up. There we go. And then I still have stuff in boxes that have to be put in a place, but for now they're fine in the box. I don't use them every day. And then this is the other plastic shelving unit that holds my, at the moment, not functioning sewing machine. I'm having trouble getting the bobbin thread to move or to catch, you know what I mean? But I'm working on it. And this is one of the boxes I made recently, the tea box. Sewing stuff, pedaling plug, my favorite gel printing paper. This is the Hammermill 32 pound color copy paper. And next I have regular copy paper and then some cardstock, some small cardstock, printing paper, watercolor paper, tea bag paper, Japanese paper, rice paper, and all kinds of watercolor blocks there. And then the next one, I've got my tissues, like Carnival and regular tissue, brown packaging, and then coffee filters. And then here I have, they're like fancy papers, right? So different, you know, creative papers, handmade papers. These are all kinds of bits of like, there's some metallic in there, there's solids, there's stripes, all kinds of cool stuff that I like to use. Keep those there. And then for the very bottom is other papers that I use, like the matte photo paper, vinyl sticker sheets, the mixed media paper, large envelopes, etc., etc. And so that is my little studio tour. And oh, these are my extra big gel plates. I'm going to keep them on the table for now because I have plenty of space and I can easily access them. But the kitty says hi and bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy this little tour. And when it's more finished, I will give you a better tour. Thanks, guys. Bye.